Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to remove protection from Excel Workbook. When you open an Excel workbook, but only get the read-only version, the Excel sheet cannot be edited. How can you unprotect the sheet without a password? Here, you can learn an easy way to unprotect Excel Workbook without a password while the Excel Workbook is protected with sheet password, workbook structure password, or read-only password. iSunshare Workbook Unprotect Genius can help remove protection password from Excel sheet in one click. After that, you can edit the workbook sheet in your way. Get the software in your computer. Okay, now open the software. Click the Open button to add your protected workbook. Well, click the Remove Password button. Wow, the protection password is removed successfully. Now you can see there is an unprotected copy of the document in the same location. You can open to edit the content freely. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.